Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk a bit on demonstrative adjectives. So let's get started. Now, what is an adjective? Adjective is a word which is used to describe the quality of a noun or pronoun. For example, blue car. Now blue is what? Blue is adjective. All color names are adjective and car is noun. The same point to be noted here that in adjective the D later is silent, so it's called adjective. A demonstrative adjective is an adjective used to specifically describe the position of something or someone in space or time. And the demonstrative adjectives in a sentence will come just before a noun or pronoun and tell you which one it is specifically modifying. Like the most commonly used demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these and those. This, that, these and those are called demonstrative adjectives. So let's understand it by examples and let's see its usage. This and that. The primary singular forms of demonstrative adjectives are this. Now where we use this? This is used for a person or thing that is nearly or current. Means if anything is near to us, then we use this. And that is used for a person or thing that is farther away. Anything that is far away from us, then we use that. And the same, these and those, the primary plural forms of demonstrative adjectives, they are plural forms of demonstrative adjectives. Like these is used again for when the thing is near to us, then we use these, and those is used when the thing is farther away or far away from us, then we use those. Did you want this apple or that one? Now here this apple is closer to the speaker than that one. That is why I am using this apple. Do those cats live here? Those cats are far away from the speaker. You can see that after those there is cats. Cats is what? Cats is noun. So demonstrative adjectives are always used before noun. Like here you can see apple. Apple is again noun. That is why before noun there is that comparative adjective, that is this. And yes, these cats live here. These cats are closer to the speaker. And this novel is my favorite. Novel is again noun, and this is again demonstrative adjective. The speaker is close to this novel. I have never read that novel. The novel is far away from that novel. So you can see that that after that there is novel. Novel is noun, and that is demonstrative adjective. So here the main thing that you should note all that demonstrative adjective is always used before noun. Like here noun is novel, and novel like their cats are noun and apple are noun. Demonstrative adjectives versus demonstrative pronouns. They both are similar, but there is little bit difference. This, that, these and those are also demonstrative pronouns. No doubt this, that, these and those are also demonstrative pronouns as well as demonstrative adjectives. So what's the difference between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns? It all depends on how you use them. Like demonstrative adjectives come before the noun they describe. The demonstrative adjectives are always that they are used before noun for showing the description of that noun. Demonstrative pronouns replace the nouns they present. Now let's understand it by its examples. For example, demonstrative adjectives: hand me that book. Now here book is what? Book is obviously noun, and that is demonstrative adjective. But here that is describing the that's the description of what? Book. So hand me that book, please. Demonstrative pronoun like hand me that, please. Now after that there is no any noun, so that's why It's called demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative adjective, like do you want to see this drama, this is again demonstrative adjective. Drama is noun. And do you want to see this, here we have that concluded our sentence. Look at those people. Now here again people is what, noun, and those is what, demonstrative adjective. Look at those, and it's demonstrative pronoun. Can numbers be demonstrative adjectives? Here is a question, that can numbers be demonstrative adjectives? Ordinal numbers such as third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh can act as demonstrative adjectives. They indicate which noun you are talking about, just like other demonstrative adjectives. Like the first prize I received was $500. The sixth day of the week is Saturday. Now here sixth, first is what? That is ordinal numbers. In the late 19th century, the Civil War in the United States was fought. Note, cardinal numbers which are regular numbers used for counting are not considered demonstrative adjectives. Cardinal numbers are not demonstrative adjectives, remember. When they indicate how many of an atom there are, 2 kittens or 16 bags, then they are what? They are descriptive adjectives. They are still not called demonstrative adjectives. They are just called descriptive adjectives. So here is a short quiz for you all. Use these words in demonstrative adjectives: pillow, towel, headphones, pen, and mobile. So this is a short quiz for you all. Please try to solve this. And thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful for you. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.